So we back. We back. Come on, man. The fuck? But it's your boy Qua. Checking in another video, man. POV. I told y'all boys I was gonna get a POV with the front splitter type shit. I gotta be careful though. This car be sit low. Hopefully I give y'all a real straight out POV. Cause I got waves on. Y'all know y'all. If you know, you know why I got waves on, man. But I did have some little pulls. I don't like this wheel though. Shit shaking again. I haven't enjoyed this car in so long. Ooh, this cold on this side. I'm put this window down. But I ain't enjoyed this car in so long. But this car's still under construction, low key, y'all. I found out why my check engine light on. That's my throttle body. I gotta change my throttle body out, so I'm gonna park this bitch up again. And until my headlights come, I get my headliner completed. Yeah, man, like I'm just trying to get shit done on this car. So get my headliner completed, my throttle body, my headlights, and then get a wheel alignment. No, get shit right. Get shit right. Really just get shit right. It's cool. I'm sorry. Y'all can't hear the motor here. Y'all just gonna have to bear it with me. I got one hand trying to do everything, but I'll probably put this bitch in track soon as I get close to my crib. But yeah, I gotta get a new throttle body, get my headliner done, wheel alignment. I gotta do an oil change. I gotta do a tune-up. It's a lot of shit I gotta do with this car, y'all. So you know what I mean? Like, this shit really a process, but man, I'm still trying to pump out great content. Y'all see me, I'm trying to do IRL content too. You feel me? Just a little bit of everything. Put my foot in every little lane I can on YouTube, man. I see y'all fucking with the car videos, so I gotta bring y'all a late night POV. Cutting up on 76 type shit, you feel me? So I ain't bring y'all a POV in so long, so I feel like I owe y'all one. But yeah, bro, I didn't realize how bad y'all fuck with the car content. I probably take a picture of the car at the gas station. This shit a little dirty though. I gotta get this car right. I gotta wash this shit so I could like show y'all how this shit really hit. Shit hit different. I ain't gonna lie. And I was thinking about wrapping it and getting rid of the red, but I ain't gonna get rid of the red. I ain't gonna lie. Like I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Like the red really might, you mean? Like, come on, bro. What the fuck is he on? Why you mean? What's going on? I'm trying to get home. Alright, I'm about to do this shit in track, cause yeah, it's time to go home. They been like that in a minute, you feel me? Woo. Boy, oh boy. What love got to do with? I'm trying to do the paddle shifters, but I only got one hand. So I don't know if I can fuck with the paddles tonight. I'll keep my eye on that though, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? But it's cold out, so this shit should really perform. But you know what I mean? I don't want to miss gear, fuck my shit up, so. I need to go get another GoPro. They said, I know y'all want to see the POVs, like the stars and stuff and all that type shit. Car jump behind me. Should make me paranoid. Woo. And I think one of my wheels loose. Every time I turn, this shit shake. I gotta check my lug nuts. But this shit gonna get parked up anyway. You know why I'd be scared to do POVs with one hand, y'all? Because Chargers are real known for spinning out in the back. So I'll be paranoid to do POVs because of I'll be scared, like God forbid this shit spin out and I got one hand, I gotta drop my phone to catch it. You feel what I'm saying? Cause like the tires I got on, they slick real good for spinning out. You feel what I'm saying? But they're on the front, they're not on the back. How bumpy this motherfucker is. Oh, man, shit. When the last time I saw this on the channel? You feel me? But tomorrow, I think it's supposed to snow, so I gotta put her up. But I can't wait to move, y'all. I can't wait to fucking move, get a garage. Feel me? If I get a garage, it's up. So y'all should see how the I had to downshift real quick though. I'm drawing. Let me know if I'm drawing, y'all. I'm drawing. Y'all heard that motherfucker though? That motherfucker be popping, you heard me? Hold on, I'm gonna put this bitch down a little bit so I can hear it pop. I'm gonna let it hear it pop a little bit. I know y'all fuck with it. It's popping a little bit though. I'm trying to get home. No bad. Cutting out one hand? Question mark? This shit getting real critical. Real bad. Real fast. Real bad. But I'm gonna shut up and let y'all enjoy the content. Oh, hot though. How that lip hold up though once we get off this motherfucking highway. I need to be seeing what it, you mean that, you mean? If y'all know, y'all know, but if y'all coming in from like city line, like coming from like KOP, y'all always will see if it's a Yamin here, because over here, that's what they be posted at. If you get what I'm saying, you feel me, you feel me? If you feel me, you feel me. But if you don't feel me, you ain't gonna feel me, because you ain't know what I'm talking about, you feel me? But the ones who know, if you don't know, go back to my video and I was riding through 52nd Street talking about it on my channel, you feel me? There's a lot of bumps over here. Power hole fucking central. Look, I hear it though. Like, I hate coming through here. It's a bunch of fucking potholes. Oh,